As long as you love me. All the loneliness has always been a friend of mine. I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind, risking it all in a glance. How you got me blind is still a mystery. Can't get you out of my head. Don't care what is written in your history, as long as you're here with me. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Right. Every little thing that you have said and done feels like it's deep within me. Doesn't really matter if you're on the run. It seems like we're meant to be. I don't care who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, don't care what you did, as long as you love me. Uh-oh! And wait for it! Wait for it! I think you shared our baby. No.
This is a family event.
Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a son that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all that praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Quincy has a natural obsession for temptation that he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can see is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is failing and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Y'all don't hear me? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh, come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday. Too many storms have come and gone, chasing the gonna trace on that one God-given right. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray I'll 10 fade away, still be praising for all the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I've lose to bring my life to undo. Clear blue and unconditional skies would dry the tears from my eyes. No more lonely cries. Keep going. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can cope with such enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for shooting cane into your own vein? What a shame you shoot names for someone else's brain. You claim the instinct and blame this day in time. If fall a prey to crime, I say the system's got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes will come in true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it
We got T-Boz, Left Eye, and who's the third?
Chili